Well, guess what just came in the mail? It's a late Christmas gift for me. It's the MOTO G7 Plus. This will just be a quick unboxing. I just got this in the mail like 5 or 10 minutes ago, so obviously no time to test it yet. But this is part of the G series of MOTO phones. I think there's a G7 Play Power. I think there's one more. This is the MOTO G7 Plus. Only reason why I got this because this has dual speakers. But it only has, I believe, a 3,000 milliamp battery, which is not very good for a flagship phone, at least as far as Motorola is concerned. So that being said, I still think that the G series of phones from MOTO is probably your best budget buy for 2019. But if you're not into multimedia like me, I would probably recommend the MOTO G7 Power because that has a 5,000 milliamp battery, as in my previous MOTO phone, and you can get up to 3 days of battery life on that phone with 5,000 milliamp battery. So that's the one I would recommend if you must have stereo speakers in the G7 Plus. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing with this, and at the end of the video, stay tuned. I'll post the specs on the phone, and then sometime tomorrow or this week I'll test the phone and let you know what I think. So let's do a quick unboxing with my knife. I will say that the box feels nice and thick, like a jewelry box or something like that. So let's go ahead and pop this open. All right. I should have had a second camera set up, but I think we can do it. If you can tell, it's got kind of a red tint to it there. I'm not that really big into colors myself. It looks like, oh yeah, it has a case on it. It comes with the case. Check it out. Nice, Motorola, thank you. Ah, there we go. Now we can tell better. That's actually a pretty nice color. Nice red tint to it. Nice touch having this little gel case. All right, let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. That case is a very nice touch. All right, let's get in and see what else is in here. All right, little tool to pop out the SIM, and little folder for the pamphlet. It does have a fast charger and a USB-C, and that's it for the box. Okay, cool. Again, having that gel case that comes with the clear gel case is a very, very nice touch. Look, we all drop our phones sooner or later, right? So yeah, I might get a hard shell case, but on my other MOTO here, I have the same thing, a soft clear gel case, and it you know what? It helps me grip it. I'm more concerned about grabbing it, off the table or at a restaurant, and it slips and it falls. But I think having this this gel case, as you see here, is a nice touch. Okay, well, I think what I'll do is I'm going to have to charge it up, set the account up, and test it, and let you know my feelings about this phone. So why don't we go ahead and go into the specs of the phone real quick, and in part 2, after I have time, I will test it and we'll go more into an in-depth look at the MOTO G7 Plus. I will have a link for this below in the show notes if you're interested for a MOTO G7 Plus. Again, all things considered, I think your best deal spec-wise for the money, I think, will be the MOTO G7 Power if you're looking for the best battery life. If you must have dual speakers, then you want the G7 Plus. Okay, let's go into the specs. All right, a brief look at some of the specs for the MOTO G7 Plus. 6.2-inch screen, 1080 by 2270 pixels, 4 gigs of RAM, a rather small, 3,000 milliamp battery. Again, I do believe the MOTO G7 Power is your best bet. I didn't buy that because it did not have stereo speakers. All right, front and back Gorilla Glass. And, front and rear video in 4K. You don't often see front camera video capability, 4K video capability in this price range for less than, $300. That's actually very nice. Of course, the stereo speakers I mentioned, the rear fingerprint scanner, and some other features. Again, are fast charging. It does have a headphone jack, and as you saw, it came with a very nice gel case to keep the phone from slipping out of your big fingers. All right, not too bad specs for the money. You can get these phones, generally speaking, any model for less than $300. I believe the Moto G7 Power is less than $200. Again, check out the Amazon link below in the show notes. All right, I'm going to go play with my new toy, so stay tuned. Sometime in the near future, I'll give you my a more in-depth review of the Moto G7 Plus. Take care.